Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking these cards, Aries. So these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career circumstances. For your moon energies today, guys, we'll be picking one card from the Moonology deck. So we will see what it is as we proceed. If you want more clarity, Aries, you can watch the Pick a Card Love reading that will follow this general guidance, guys. So let's start with these cards here. Queen of Cups, Sun, and Death in reverse. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you may feel quite emotionally drained, something making you very inactive. You may feel that you are stuck to something, maybe unable to decide or make a choice, make a move, or even act or do things you usually do with that strength and vigor. So you are feeling really lethargic. You don't want to make any efforts today. You just want to take your day off, take rest. Maybe it may be because of some illness you are having, guys, Aries, or it may be because of some circumstances you are seeing today. Maybe you expected certain things, but however hard you are trying, you are not seeing the results. So that may be the reason for the way you feel today. And even in this relationship, you feel that you are trying to do your best, but whatever it is, that misunderstanding or some kind of stressful circumstances are there in this relationship, guys. And maybe you are a very caring, loving person. You try to be that honest, devoted person to the person you love, and you have their and the reason for the way you feel in your circumstance, maybe, guys, because you are really devoted to them, devoted to this love, and maybe you are expecting some answers from them, and maybe they are not giving you the answers, or they have not given you the answer yet. Though you are trying again and again and again, there is no answer from this person. That may be the reason you feel this way. Maybe you feel stuck. You don't know what will be your next choice or decision, what you need to do. But we have this card here, guys, the Sun card. It is a very positive card. So whatever difficulties you are seeing, maybe in your life, maybe in your personal life, in this relationship, or maybe in your work situation, whatever it may be, all that is going to change, Aries. It's going to resolve. So let's see what is the card we've picked for your relationship. So it is 8 of Cups in reverse. So great joy and happiness is what I see for you guys. Maybe this person will tell you the answer you expected, or this person will accept your proposal, or maybe they are going to propose to you. or if you have already proposed, they will accept your proposal. So some kind of a good news or positive news is coming in your circumstances, guys, and you are celebrating it. You are celebrating this happy news with this person you love. So your situation is definitely resolving, Aries, whatever it may be. So let's see what is the card for your career. It's Two of Cups in reverse. So you are getting great opportunities in your work, also opportunities for collaboration and partnership. That is going to work very well for you guys. That is going to work positively, Aries. So for your moon energies today, guys, we have your commitment is being tested. So with this card, it just means that there are challenges coming your way, but it may be just a test, and you can actually win this test if you put in the efforts and show that commitment you have towards your dreams and goals, whatever it is. If you work with commitment, you are surely getting the results, the expected results. So that is the energy, guys. With this card, maybe success may not be here right now, but it is a sure thing, and it is definitely coming very soon, guys, Aries, in your circumstances. So that is the reading, guys, for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please watch the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Aries. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is your first card. So we have the Princess and the P, sensitivity. So with this card in your circumstances today, maybe you have a very heightened sensitivity today. Maybe in your heart of hearts, something is telling you what is right and what is wrong. It may be your intuition working or your instincts working, whatever it is, guys. You need to trust that. And maybe if you have an experience or if you are an already a very sensitive person, sensitive to people, sensitive to your circumstances, to emotions, maybe today, even without people telling you how they feel, you may realize what is there in their heart. You may understand them emotionally, and that is because you are feeling really sensitive today, sensitive to the people, your surroundings. So whatever you feel deep down, you must trust that, guys. So maybe when you are making some important decisions, something tells you that you should make a particular choice or decide in a particular way. You must go for it. And your feelings or your intuition is right today, and you need to trust that. And you can never hide what you truly feel today. Maybe something has come up and you realize that what it is, and maybe even if you are not taking those actions, you're not speaking on that subject, maybe whatever it may be, but the way you are, you may feel that this is the right thing, and you may have that trust and faith in your intuition. So that is going to influence your actions even without you telling about your sensitivity or telling someone about your intuition. Whatever it is, the intuition you have is going to influence your actions and words, and that is the way things are going to be today, guys. So maybe if you feel that you cannot trust yourself, you cannot trust what you truly feel, you must give up that idea and you must go for what your intuition is telling you, because that may be the right thing for you and that may be the right decision for you today, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So let's see what is your second card for those who chose this card. It's happy, happy. A very positive card here, guys. So no matter what your situation is today, everything is falling into place for you, and this is the time you feel really close to this person you love, and you feel that you can tell them anything and without wanting anything in return, loving them for the sake of love, not for anything else. So that is the way things are going to be, guys. So when you have that unconditional love towards this person, it is going to work in a magical way today in your relationship, guys. So the grass is greenest where you are right now, and you can be happy, grateful for the way things are going. And you should not forget, no matter what your situation is, maybe you are seeing some trouble, something is worrying you in this relationship. Whatever it is, you just need to let go of all that. Lighten up, just have fun, be playful, cheerful, and you will be surprised how everything will change in your circumstances. And being happy attracts more happiness, just like bees are attracted to honey. So no matter what your circumstances are, just being happy will attract more happiness in your life today, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who chose this card, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.